My tech is now I'm going to present project 2 in Python. It's related to weather change. So nowadays the weather is quite changing minute. Morning it is hot and sometimes it's getting rain and sometimes it's getting chillness. So we have to know the current city temperature. If you want to see the current city temperature, then you have to apply the same. You need to implement with suitable application. So for this reason, you have to download Anaconda Navigator. If you already have, kindly open Jupyter. See here you have Jupyter Notebook or Spider, anything. Okay, but here I used Spider. So this is your Spider. Okay, first of all, you have to write the package. Here it's already have request. Those who don't have, whoever installed Anaconda Navigator, it's already have request. Those who don't have, you have to write pip space install request. This is your package name, and you need to apply the function. You can choose your own function name by passing argument. This is parameters arguments. And next, it is related to API key, where you have to get this key, and you have to get this key through this. Suppose you have weather API, you have to go to the URL weather API, and here you can click on your profile, my API. Everyone, please create one account in Webhome Open Weather Map. Here you will get key. The same thing you have to paste it here. And next one, you have to apply the URL where it is going to take. And here API key is there. Based on this, it is going to take the suitable request. And using the get method, it is going to apply the same. And using JSON method, it is related to the object notations. JavaScript object notation. If response is 200 and it is going to navigate the next one, and finally it is going to display the current temperature in degrees by describing the weather. So whether if suppose rainy, it will create some clouds. Before that, we are going to get clouds. If any problem with API key or any wrong city, it will prompt the error. And finally, it is going to consider with main method and will ask the current city. Based on it is going to display the weather. So here get weather is to read the method. Here it is the call. It is calling function where it will go here inside the body of the function. Okay. Now let us run this program. You will understand totally after you type code and here you click on run. Here it will ask the city name. Let us take Hyderabad. See, it's a 23.23 degrees H. So if you want to take another test case, you can take. Suppose if you are giving some unknown name, city not found. It's not at all there with ABC. So let us take another test case. So let us take like Guntur. See, it's going to change. See, you can choose your own city name and based on it is going to display the same. Let us choose another country. For example, New York. See, the city not found. Why? Because it is only applicable in India. Now, let us change like this way. So not defined. So it is not at all defined. You have to choose your own city name. Let us choose Delhi. See, 19.05. Okay, let us take one more hill station place. Manali. So it is also coming. Okay. Anyway, it is going to work with the API key with URL. It is going to apply with response. So this is one of the important project. It is going to be applied in the coming days, that is 2025. Before the years, you have constant weather. Now, very few days back, it is going to change the weather. That's why I am presenting this project for your convenience. I hope this project works for you and find benefited. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So many projects will be delivered shortly. Okay.